been caught red-handed. Would you lock me up in your hands and never abandon me again? I've been calling out your name in the storm. Can you hear me in the rain as it's pouring on the streets? Feel like I've been sitting here for weeks waiting on a miracle or somebody to preach to my heart. It hasn't reached to my soul. Whoa, as I was sitting there damaged, then you came with your arms wrapped around me like a bandage. How can I thank you for what you've done? A payment is equivalent to a half grain of sand, and all I can do is thank you, cause a matter of fact it's paid all my debts by the grace of the sun. The grace of the sun. If I was a slave,